Good morning. I'm Dr. Greg Bickler. I'm actually filming this from my hospital room while I'm recovering from a staph infection. And even here, women keep asking me the same question. Why do I feel so tired in my 40s, 50s, 60s, even when I think I sleep? I want to explain this in the simplest way possible because it's not aging and it's not your imagination, believe me. Number one, your minerals drop even when you drink water. You see, sodium, potassium, magnesium, they'll decline naturally with your age, especially as a woman. And when minerals drop, your cells just can't hold the hydration. So what happens then? You'll wake up puffy, tired, foggy, low energy, and you wonder, geez, what am I doing wrong? You're drinking water all day, but your cells aren't absorbing it. It's not your fault. It's just your chemistry. Now, after 40, hydration needs help. That's number two. Hormone changes and lighter sleep make it harder for water to get into your cells. This is why electrolytes can make such a fast difference. Just a pinch of sodium, potassium, magnesium, or a clean electrolyte mix powder you can get in the store helps your cells pull water back inside into the cells where it belongs. It'll make a difference. Women often tell me they look different 24, 48 hours. So please give it a shot. Number three, your morning cortisol shifts also. After the age of 40, your natural wake-up hormone becomes less predictable. Guess I'm not surprised. Instead of waking up alert, many times you'll wake up wired, anxious, feeling of heaviness, you're drained. You're just not yourself. It's a chemistry shift, not a character flaw, believe me. Here's the simple routine to change your morning fast that I'd like you to start tomorrow, please. Number one, electrolytes first thing in the morning, a pinch in your warm water. 2, 10-second sweep, a lymph sweep across your face, down your neck. 3, protein needs to be your first meal of the day and 3 times a day. Step 4, magnesium glycinate before you go to bed. These 4 tiny habits work together to support your hydration, hormones, nervous system, and the difference will show up in your face and your energy quickly. Please, trust me. Even from this hospital bed, I'm reminded how much our chemistry shapes how we feel each day. As a woman in your 40 and beyond, you deserve to wake up feeling good. Your body's absolutely capable of more energy and a better glow. It's just been missing a few key steps. I'm Dr. Greg Bickler. Thank you for taking the time to listen to me today. Have a great day.